Hi there, here is the all-new Toshiba Z670SP Mini LED TV. Now we have the 65-inch variant and it's priced at 79,990. Now Toshiba has been one of the most trusted brands when it comes to smart TVs, and this one too doesn't fail to impress. It's packed with features like native 144Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for PS5 gaming. Yes, we tested that too, and what an amazing experience it was. More about it in detail further in the video. Then we also have filmmaker mode, we also have Apple AirPlay support, 54-watt sound output, hands-free voice assistant, and so much more. Now I've been using this TV for a while. Let me share all about it in detail, what's good and what's not, so you can ultimately decide if you should buy the Toshiba Mini LED TV or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging, the standard brown box with Toshiba Rexa branding. You can spot the bold Z logo on the right along with the model number. Now this is a 4K Mini LED panel. Some key features and supported apps are mentioned below. Now, do not unbox this TV on your own or you could damage it and even void the warranty. A technician will visit your doorstep, they'll set up and install the TV for you at no extra cost. So inside the box is the TV itself. Then we have some paperwork that includes the 2-year warranty registration, owner's manual, 2 stands, and they're built of solid metal. Yes, the handle, the base, everything is pure metal, matte black finish. They look so premium and sleek. Absolutely love it. By the way, if you notice here what this is basically to organize the cable that's going from behind. Very well thought out design of the stand by Toshiba. Excellent. It should provide a good grip on the table as well. As you can see, it comes with rubber at the base. Screws to fix the stands, then the power cord, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and finally the remote. So as you can see, we have a full-size remote here. This is a Bluetooth remote. Right on the top here we have a new home button in yellow, power button, we have the number key, then you have the D-pad to navigate. I really like this chrome finish, it's like a disc. Right in the center is the OK button, back button, home button, then you have the channel up and down, volume up and down, mute button, subtitle, inputs, you have shortcut keys for Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, news, TV channels, VOD, browser, music, sports. Oh my god, too many buttons. It always is handy. And if you look closely, it comes with this nice raw texture finish, which also gives it a very premium look. Overall, a really nice and easy to use remote. So we have fixed the stands and table mounted the TV. As you can see, it comes with a protected film to avoid any damage during transportation. Let's remove it. So now we get the super clean bezel-less design. Looks premium from the word go. Matte black unibody frame completely blends in with the display. The lower bezel is extremely eye-catchy, Toshiba branding on the left and Rexa branding on the right with a round standby LED. But the best part, it houses a front-firing speaker that creates a perfect cinematic experience as the audio is firing directly towards you. We'll talk about the experience further. The stands are solid metal, sit flat on the table, providing the TV with excellent grip. The distance between the 2 stands is 50 inches. It will be helpful if you plan to keep this TV on your existing table. Moving towards the back, again premium metal body, extremely well built. The power input port is on the left, while all the rest of the ports are on the right, making it easy to access even when the TV is wall mounted. Starting from the top, we get a USB-A 3.0 port, HDMI ports, antenna, optical and Ethernet. So all HDMI ports are HDMI 2.1, which helps for faster transfer speeds. HDMI 1 and 2 support 4K 60 FPS, which is ideal for set-top boxes. HDMI 3 and 4 support 4K at 144Hz, which is designed for console gaming like PS5. It also comes with eARC support, so you can connect it to ARC-supported soundbars for digital audio output. Alright, let's have a quick look at the specifications. So we get a 4K Mini LED display that can produce up to 1300 nits of peak brightness. VA panel with native 144Hz refresh rate, 3 GB RAM with 32 GB internal storage, filmmaker mode plus Dolby Vision support, Apple AirPlay support, 54-watt sound output with 4 speaker setup, and it's running the Vida TV OS. Alright, let's talk business. So this is a mini LED display, which means smaller LEDs are replaced with bigger LEDs that most TVs usually offer. They're placed a lot closer to each other, giving you more control on the dimming zones, which eventually helps the TV produce higher brightness levels and super deep blacks in the same frame. Very similar viewing experience to an OLED TV, but with a mini LED panel, it can get super bright, eliminating halos and blooming issues. The term mini LED for TVs is used very loosely nowadays. Any TV with an LED can be called mini LED. What's important is how many dimming zones and the brightness, because only then will the picture quality stand out. With the Z670SP series, it can produce up to 1300 nits of peak brightness, which is almost 2 to 3 times of what the competition offers. You can instantly notice how incredibly bright the panel is. The details absolutely stand out. The contrast is genuinely impressive, bright whites and deep blacks in the same frame. Toshiba claims up to 720 dimming zones. Here too, you can see the stark difference between blacks and whites. Now here's a dark scene from a movie and the details look so crisp while the blacks are deep, giving you that perfect cinematic experience. When it comes to color reproduction, Toshiba tunes it extremely well. Now this is a 4K HDR video and the colors pop that instantly grabs your attention. Now it smartly adjusts the colors as per the content, like when you're watching regular TV shows like I'm watching Friends now, and here the colors are more natural and not oversaturated. The viewing experience is super impressive. The Rexa engine does its pure magic. The clarity truly stands out. Quickly talking about viewing angles, well, though this is a VA panel, the colors don't actually see as much of change. The hues and colors look just as good even when seen from an angle. It's clear, crisp, it just makes for a perfect viewing experience. Now for those who watch a lot of content on their TVs using a set-top box, we tested that too. Now even though this is barely full HD, the upscaling is brilliant. The clarity is stellar, almost feels like 4K. Also thanks to MEMC, scrolling text is smooth and easily readable. But the best part is, especially when you're watching sports content like soccer or cricket, where the ball clarity and the smoothness is drastically elevated. Especially now with FIFA World Cup happening, it feels like you are in the stadium. Trust me, it's an experience in itself. Watch it to believe how amazing this feels. The Toshiba TV won't fail to impress you. Alright, let's talk about the OS and the user experience. Welcome to the VIDA TV OS. So it actually offers everything that you look for and it's extremely well optimized and easy to use. Now right here you can see on the top recommended content. Right on the top you can see Toshiba, Be Brilliant. Then you have click to watch for Spider Noir. And there are so many other content that you can click and start watching right away. Further below here is recent, so you have YouTube, Apple TV. Then here is your inputs. You have your AirPlay, screen sharing for Android, USB port, HDMI. And of course you also have music sharing, content sharing, kind of very convenient. Then of course you have pre-installed apps. Netflix comes pre-installed, Prime Videos, Jio Hotstar, Apple TV, YouTube, Tata Binge, my god, Sony TV, Z5, every streaming app you want to think of is already available and pre-installed on this TV, which is really good. Aha, Spotify, my god, the list is almost endless. But hang on, there's more. As we go ahead, here you can see they have a browser, Yup TV, as well as an app store. Now as we come in here, you can see there is also a mobile app for the VIDA TV that you can download. Then of course some featured app, you have some games, you have some kids content, you have latest apps, movies, internet TV, and of course furthermore categories. I mean, every app that you're looking for will be available here. In fact, it provides one of the most smoothest and clean user experiences. Further down obviously is more recommended content from multiple OTT apps. Check that out. But here comes the best part. Now as you come on the left side here, there's a bar and here you can see Toshiba is the official sponsor for FIFA World Cup 2026. So once you come in here, you can see all the details of the World Cup right here. So you have your schedule, you have your scoreboard, you have your upcoming matches, you have the top players and the goals they've done, you have the highlights. So if you are a FIFA fan, I mean, it just can't get better than this. It's a clean interface, you have all the apps that you need, and it has a really fun user experience. Then we also have filmmaker mode on board. It tunes the video watching experience as the filmmaker intended it to be seen. It adjusts the colors and tones perfectly, and you can enable this from the picture settings. Now just to show you, this is while watching the same movie without filmmaker mode. It's bright and vivid, but it doesn't create that theater-like experience. Now with filmmaker mode turned on, it changes the colors and hues to give you that theater-like experience. Then we also get the best of both worlds, Dolby Vision and filmmaker mode. And what better way to test Dolby Vision than Netflix? Here you can find tons of Vision content and you can even spot the logo on some of the supported content. Let's play it. Now here you can see Vision content absolutely shines. It's bright and crisp. But now let's take it to the next level by switching it to Dolby Vision plus Filmmaker mode. Now it's just wow. It creates such an amazing experience. If you're someone who loves to watch movies, then you should definitely check this out. It's really satisfying. Then we also have native Apple AirPlay support, so you can mirror your iPad, Mac or even your iPhone directly to the TV screen. The transitions are quite smooth, as you can see. It's fun to share your holiday pictures with your family on the biggest screen at home. Also, when you play videos, they play flawlessly, no lag at all. Then we also have the Vida hands-free assistant, so you can control the TV just with your voice. Just say hi Vida, then you can ask it to mute the TV, unmute the TV, launch whatever app you want, toggle on and off the Bluetooth, and my favorite, turn off the TV. Love the curtain closing animation. Alright, let's talk gaming. So we have VRR and ALLM support, which helps elevate console gaming experience to the next level. Now Toshiba goes a step ahead and provides 144Hz native refresh rate. And what better way to test that than a PlayStation 5. We played our favorite Uncharted 4 and it was so surreal. It felt absolutely seamless. There was no lag or drop frames, just flawless smooth gaming. Though PS5 supports max of 120Hz, now you have 144Hz on board, providing a very satisfying gaming experience. Another cool feature is you get a dedicated game menu and you can see the FPS and further some more settings which come handy for gamers. It's really cool. If you already have a gaming console or are considering to get one, you should definitely consider the Toshiba Mini LED TV. Alright, coming to the audio. So we get 54-watt sound output with a 4-speaker setup. Let's see how it sounds.
So this is your first hunt. And you've come to the most dangerous planet in the universe.
Okay, so it's a complete sound experience. The front-firing speakers really make it feel like the sound is coming from the screen. It's drastically superior compared to most TVs that come with down-firing speakers. The bass too is quite decent. I mean, not as deep as a subwoofer, but still enough for the audio to sound rich. Overall, the TV's audio is genuinely impressive. Alright, final thoughts. So, this Toshiba Mini LED TV ticks all the boxes. It's a smart TV with all the apps that you need. It's a perfect gaming TV with 140Hz refresh rate, VRR, ALLM. Then you get stellar viewing experience with premium build and design. By the way, the Z670SP series is available from 55-inch and goes all the way up to 100-inch. Toshiba, we all know, is Japan's #1 TV brand and is also the official sponsor for FIFA World Cup 2026. It's one of the most reliable products to bring home. This 55-inch variant starts at 64,990. It's available at the Reliance digital, online and offline stores, even other online portals. You can get zero down payment options, cashback benefits up to 20,000, and it also offers 2 years of comprehensive warranty. So you can be stress-free when you buy a Toshiba product. You'll find the purchase links of all the variants below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.